Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix, USB port remains active after using safely remove hardware. Type regedit in Windows search bar. Right-click Run as administrator. Click Yes to continue. Click and expand HKey local machine. Click and expand software. Click and expand current control set. Click and expand services. Right-click USB hub. New key. Type hubg. Right-click, New, DWORD 32-bit value. Type Disable on soft remove. Change value to 1. Click OK. Close and exit registry editor. Restart computer. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.